Hiya there, you okay? Have a look, it's free to look.
Like Smokey Robinson's tranced out eyes, you can't sneak up on him, he'll get no surprise. Rum Barber, Ali Bongo, Nigel Havers was a charmer. We know what you did. How's your father? Like Nostradamus and Hitler rolled into one. Predictor, dictator, and all that fun. Ding dong, ping pong, it's all gone a bit Pete's tongue. We know what you did. Give us a snug with mobility issues. You don't know, but he's already met ya. He is gonna get ya. Gonna lift the lid on the Yoko hopped and hollered in artistic pain, and all the paid singers joined in a squalid little game. Eggnog, Snoop Dogg, the Mogadon. Oh, we know what you did. Gonna lift the lid with mobility issues. You don't know, but he's already met ya. Is gonna get ya. Gonna lift the lid on the disabled kid. Was it a crime or an attack or a cry for help? He said, get off me, I'm okay, I don't need your help. I'll open the door and I'm coming through. Stephen says, shh. Stephen says, don't shout. Stephen suggests a low profile. Keep quiet, pretend that you're out. He sneaks in your mind whilst you're asleep. Now he knows all of your secrets. He'll hint, but he won't tell. He sits there laughing and grinning. Yes, you are gonna do his bidding. He's the master and he's done it to us all. With egotistical issues, he is now master of your world. He controls all of the amenities, the air, the government, all the rubber TTs. You think you're free, but you can't escape. Do what you're told, you're trapped in your shape. Resistance is futile, as someone once said, and that's the power of the disabled kid. He is in you, he has got you, he is gonna suck you dry. He has hold you, he will touch you, he is gonna suck you from inside your mind's eye.